Hi everybody, you've made it to the final week, Module 7. And since this class was created as a 7-week class last summer, the last week is your assigned final paper. So I was telling some of you you needed to do a whole new module of content plus the paper, but I was wrong in a good way. So in this last module, you will basically write the final plan. I have given you a handout on leading inclusively that might help you think about writing your final paper. I've met with almost all of you at this point and gone over the IDI development plan. So here's the page where you're actually going to turn in your personal learning assignment. Start out with a personal vision for leading inclusively. So what are the outcomes you'd like to work toward? What actions will you commit to take? So kind of setting a vision for the kind of leader that you want to be related to leading inclusively. And then 2 different components based on the results of the assessments, the major assessments that we did. First of all, choose 2 competencies from the ESCI that you see as strengths that will help you move toward realizing your vision or accomplish the goals that you have. So basically 2 strengths that you want to build on, and then choose 2 competencies that you want to further develop. Explain why each goal would be helpful, create a specific goal, and then so create some action steps for developing your competencies. The 3rd section is says explaining your results. Just give me your results since you're writing a whole journal on that. And then include the pieces of the IDI plan you got. Everybody's doing section 1 and 2, and then for section 4, you're completing 2 activities. So you can pick 2 activities out of the ones included in your plan, or if you find another activity that's more directly related to your vision and your goals, you can do that too. And then finally, the 4th section is just kind of reflecting back on the class and on the plan. And it's going to be really helpful if you could number these items. Although, yeah, development of competencies. I got my numbers a little bit messed up here. If you could title it for me: vision, EI strengths, EI developmental, IDI plan, conclusion, because I will be speed grading. So my mother's 81st birthday is a week from Sunday, so it's next Sunday, the 26th, and the grades are due on the 28th, so I'll be doing a real quick turnaround. So I've asked you to submit this early on the 24th, which is the Friday, so that I can get some graded over the weekend. If you are, absolutely pressed for time and you need to work on it Saturday, that's okay. I'm not going to take off points for it, but try to get it in a little bit earlier if you can. So I look forward to reading your results and your responses. I may have to do a speed grade and then get back to you with feedback afterwards, but I'm looking forward to hear about what you've learned. And I'm going to give you an email, but please go in and complete the feedback on the course through the Citadel system. And then I'll also just ask for your suggestions or feedback on what worked well and what you would change. So have a good week, everybody. Let me know if you have any questions.